Is not a member of Mkhonto weSizwe, as pronounced, is not a member. He couldn't even prove, and worse as well, undermining the president. I mean, questioning the power of attorney signed by the president. Chinasi Mkhonto weSizwe, we don't insult, we don't undermine, we are not factional, we are not people who undermine the authority, because there's democratic centralism. The decision has been taken. Now we are going to be working a legislature, there will be a order, there will be a proper opposition, and we will make sure that we hold this GNU to account. Thank you.
Advocate, just two questions from my end. Number one, there was a dispute, or there was a communication between yourself and Duduzile about the reconfigured list at the IEC. Where does that stand now? I remember you indicated to me that you were next in line into getting into the legislature. I'd like maybe an account into that. But also the issue of the 3 regions in your leadership in the legislature. Will the MK party fix it? Because that has also raised a lot of contentions among the branches of the MK party.
I think the issue of that leaked email, which is an internal matter, which the party is dealing with it, which was not supposed to have happened, it doesn't relate to the list. It related to members who are provincial party liaison in the IEC. Remember, the former SG changed that list without proper go-ahead by the party. So that was relating to that. And then the issue of how the legislature will be structured, definitely that's priority number 1 since last year. That Ikhar Sibande must be properly represented, Ehlanzeni must be properly represented, Nkangala must be properly represented. So that definitely will happen, and the President delegated that to Ujash Lope, the Deputy President, and as well President was saying he will also take that upon himself to make sure that proper representation is done with the capabilities and the skills necessary for us to have. Definitely that will be done. Thank you. Thank you so much.